Imagine a place where nature still reigns supreme, where ancient rainforests whisper tales of undiscovered species and underwater worlds glow with unimaginable life. This isn't a dream, it's Papua, Indonesia's last wild frontier and a true paradise on Earth. But what makes it so extraordinary, and why is it so vital we protect it? Papua, the western half of New Guinea, is a land of unparalleled biodiversity. It's home to some of the planet's most pristine ecosystems, making it a hotspot for both marine and terrestrial life. First, let's dive into the Four Kings, Raja Ampat. This archipelago isn't just beautiful, it's the global epicenter of marine biodiversity. With over 75% of the world's coral species and thousands of fish species, every dive here is like entering a living kaleidoscope. From majestic manta rays gliding effortlessly to the tiniest pygmy seahorses hidden in corals, Raja Ampat is a testament to nature's artistry. It's a diver's dream and a conservationist's hope. From the vibrant underwater kingdoms of Raja Ampat, where kaleidoscopic coral gardens teem with life, we now ascend to another breathtaking extreme of Papua's natural wonders, as we turn our gaze to the majestic, snow-capped peaks of the Jaya Mountains. And then there are the birds of paradise. Papua is their kingdom. These avian jewels, with their spectacular plumage and elaborate courtship rituals, are a symbol of Papua's untouched wilderness. But this incredible beauty faces challenges. Deforestation, illegal fishing, and climate change threaten Papua's delicate balance. That's why conservation efforts are more crucial than ever. Local communities, NGOs, and the Indonesian government are working tirelessly to protect these invaluable ecosystems for future generations. When you visit Papua, you're not just a tourist, you're part of a movement towards sustainable travel. Choosing eco-friendly resorts, supporting local guides, and respecting the environment helps ensure these wonders endure. Papua is more than just a destination. It's a living testament to the power and beauty of untouched nature. It's a reminder of what we stand to lose and what we must fight to preserve.